I praise Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I send blessing and salutation be upon the beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Dear audience, this is Ariful Islam. I'm a spoken English instructor at Raihan International Madrasah, founded by Sheikh Abdul Kaium Mullah Hafizahullah. It's my pleasure to introduce myself as an instructor of this institute. I'm serving here for 3 months, and I'd like to share before you our purpose and objective of this institute. At Raihan International Madrasah is very serious to qualify their student and prepare them for the global ummah. As Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran, in Surah Al Imran, ayat number 110, Kuntum khayra umma ukhrijat linnas. You are the best of nation and you have been created for the mankind. So as for the international ummah should learn the international languages. For that purpose, we are teaching our students so that they may preach the Islam globally in English and Arabic as well. Now, I'd like to present one of our students' performance before you. So now, I'd like to make you hear Suratul Kafirun in 3 languages, Arabic, Bengali, and English. This surah will be recited by one of brilliant student of this institute, at Raihan International Madrasa, Muhammad Abdullah Sami. I'd like to request Muhammad Abdullah Sami, please come on the stage and deliver your recitation.
I praise Allah, Honorable Chairman, respected teachers and guardians, my dear brothers and sisters. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'd like to introduce myself before you. My name is Abdullah. I'm 11 years old. I'm a student. I'm studying in class pre-hifz in Raihan International Madrasa. I want to be a da'i of Islam. I'm from Bibaria, but I live in Dhaka. My father's name is Anwar Hussain. He's a service holder. My mother's name is Umetufura. She's a housewife. I have no brothers and 1 sister. Well, that's all about me. And now I'd like to recite Suratul Kafirun in Arabic, Bengali, and English before you. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. আমি বিতাড়িত শয়তান থেকে আল্লাহ তাআলার নিকট আশ্রয় কামনা করছি. I seek refuge in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala from the rejected shaitan. বিসমিল্লাহির রহমানির রহিম. শুরু করছি আল্লাহর নামে, যিনি পরম করুণাময় এবং অতি দয়ালু. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. قُلْ يَا أَيُّهَا الْكَافِرُونَ. বলুন, হে কাফেরেরা. Say, O disbeliever, لَا أَعْبُدُ مَا تَعْبُدُونَ. তোমরা যার ইবাদত করো, আমি তার ইবাদত করি না. I don't worship that you worship. وَلَا أَنْتُمْ عَابِدُونَ مَا أَعْبُدُ. আমি যার ইবাদত করি, তোমরা তার ইবাদত করো না. You don't worship that I worship. وَلَا أَنَا عَابِدٌ مَا عَبَدتُّمْ. আমি যার ইবাদত করি, তোমরা তার ইবাদতকারী হবে না. You will never worship that I worship. وَلَا أَنْتُمْ عَابِدُونَ مَا أَعْبُدُ. তোমরা যার ইবাদত করো, আমি তার ইবাদতকারী হব না. I will never worship that he worship. لَكُمْ دِينُكُمْ وَلِيَ دِينِ. তোমার দিন তোমার জন্য আর আমার দিন আমার জন্য. For you is your religion and for me is my religion. صدق الله العظيم.